Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the font size on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch and you just have to swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And here you will find the action menu, and when you scroll down you should find these two A letters, and when you tap on them you can increase the font size or decrease it, and this setting is going to be applied to all the apps that support the dynamic type, and it is going to adjust automatically. If you don't see this option in your menu here, then you can just tap on the bottom of your menu on the edit icon, and you can choose it from here, because if it doesn't appear on your menu at the beginning, it should appear here and you can add it to your menu. As you can see, for me all the options are added already. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.